So magic ring 6, a chain first, and then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you pull, put the marker, and then increase all. Increase all means one chain, 2. This is one there already, and then I put the 2 there. So go around until the brown color marker. This is how it looks like. Round 2 is all 12, 12 single crochet. Now third round is here 1. Came out already. Here 1, and then here 2. Do 6 times until the brown color marker, and then the 4th round is all single crochet. This is how it looks like. See, the 4th one is all single crochet, no increase, no nothing, just one only. Now 5th one is go to 2, 1 go, then here increase on the same place. Do 6 times until you go to the brown color thread. 6 times means what? 2, and then count to 2, and then here 2 single crochet. Count to 2, 2 single crochet. Count to 2, 2 single crochet. It will be 6 times same like that. This is there, done already. Now go to 6th round. 6th round is go to 3. This is 1, and then next 2, then 3. This way I'm saying it, so when I give you my chart, and then increase this one. Increase means on the same will be 2 there. So 3 and then 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 6 times. So you more or less you will know how is my chart going. 7th round was all single crochet, no increase, no nothing. The 8th round is the top body part. You slip stitch all around until the brown color thread. Now I'm doing the bottom part of the body. 6 single crochet. So fat. Alright. And 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. means all in all the chain will be 2 until the round color marker, and altogether will be 12. Third round is 1 here, then 2. Here must do 2 on the same chain. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 will be all 6 times that way. Now go to fourth round. Fourth round is here go to 1. Here 1, and the next one is 1, and here will be increase I and C. So here this one chain 2, so 2 1 2 1 2 1 6 times. Fifth round, this one is fourth round finished. Look at it, it's like that. Now fifth round is 3, go to 3, 1 here, 2 3, and this one increase. So 3 and then increase. Here 3 increase. Do 6 times that. So this is done. We just do a slip stitch. And cut it off. So, and stitch this, because I saw my old videos, there's no right hand. So this time I'm going to flip this as the right hand. Then I will change that to the one to left hands, because both 2 videos they got left hands. I didn't realize until now. So this will be it, and then I'll show you how to sew the rubber band here and legs in part 2. You see in lesson sea turtles, lesson 34. Yes, part 2 there got. Lesson 34, part 2 there got. Now it's done. So I sew the rubber band. So I put a rubber band here, so I can pin up whenever I'm doing dress or what. I can pin here. Want it bigger, should make more here, but I made less, so I could poke sideways. There. It works. This is my sister-in-law gave me the idea. I gave her a turtle like that, and then she sewed the rubber band there, and she used for pin cushion.